Hello, are you living outside US and interested in home-based job opportunities? Then this video will be of immense help because it teaches you how to obtain a new US phone number using which you can call to any number in US, be it mobile or other numbers, free of cost. You would have called many times today using your mobile. Just like that, you can call to US customers, just like how you call your friends, and all of this absolutely free. Now, why do I need to have a personal US number? There are many reasons. If at all you need to grow by doing online jobs, then having a personal number becomes an important factor. You will be eligible to become a global employee. Your reach becomes very big. It is no more limited to where you stay. Of course, many home-based jobs can be obtained by having your own personal number. You will get very good professional contacts. Your creativity will flourish and itself will bring more growth. You can be next big entrepreneur, which is the dream for many online job aspirants. Okay, now let's move on to know what this video is all about. You will know how the calls can be done using your mobile and as well using your personal system. Both ways it is possible. I'm going to show you how I log into the TextNow portal and how I make the calls as well as send text messages. So logging now with my username and password. On the top left side you will find the number, which is my personal US number. You can see the number of calls sent and received on the left side. Almost for 6 months I have been using. This is one message which I received recently. Now let me show you how to make the call through the system. It shows as $0.10, but that is not for US customers. I'm dialing this number. It is a test number. Now the call got connected. Since it's an invalid number and we call for testing purpose, I'm disconnecting the call. Let's see how the text message works. I'm entering the phone number. Just inquiring. The message has been sent. I believe you like the way it works. You can send or call using your mobile or using your system. Now let's move on to the rules. It's not rules as such, just some necessities. Of course, you should have a smartphone to get your personal number with good internet connection. Only then you can download the app. Need a computer, but not a must. Just having a phone will do. Wi-Fi connection and headset is only if you call from computers. If you do any online jobs, then it would be beneficial to have the app installed in the system too. Now let's move on to the most important part. You are going to see how a new phone number is generated. Click on the sign up, enter your email ID and any desired password. the next page it asks for any area code. This code should be based on US cities. In my experience, I tried with any code, but that did not work. So you can choose any of the three codes shown in the notepad. So I choose the 216, hit create. That's it, I got my new US number. It's a very simple process, but it has many wider utilities. Now let's do some testing. I will send a test message to my original number and see if I am receiving it. Yes, I received, but it did not display the number. Instead, it is showing the email ID. That is because we created it using the system. Once you install the app in your mobile and enter the user ID and password, then from that moment, others will find your phone number instead of the email ID. So it's not a big deal. So now we have successfully tested and everything is working fine. I just need to contact my US counterparts for any online jobs or business opportunities.
This is my mobile and you can see the app, Techno app here. So you can find the message which I sent yesterday, and this is the link using which you can call to the US numbers.
Hope you like this video and you learned something new. Get a personal number for yourself and start calling to your friends. So the next step for you is to like and share with your friends if you find it really useful. Thank you.